Sofia woke up late on Tuesday morning. Her alarm didn't ring, and when she saw the clock, she panicked. She dressed quickly, tied her hair in a messy bun, and ran out of the house. On the bus, she felt tired and stressed. Every day is the same, she thought. Work, home, sleep. Nothing new. Nothing exciting. When she arrived at the subway station, an announcement said the train would be delayed for 20 minutes. People around her complained, but Sofia just sat on a bench, staring at the floor. Suddenly, she saw a little girl drop her red balloon. The balloon floated up, and the girl cried, "My balloon! My balloon!" Everyone looked but did nothing. Without thinking, Sofia stood up quickly and caught the string before it flew away. She handed it back to the girl, who smiled brightly and said, "Thank you." The girl's mother also smiled and whispered, "You saved her morning." They began to talk. The mother explained that her daughter was nervous because it was her first day at a new school, and the balloon was meant to give her courage. Sofia listened. Then the woman looked at her and asked, "And you? Are you okay?" Sofia was surprised by the question. She laughed softly and said, "Yes, I'm fine. Just, life feels a little heavy these days." The woman nodded and replied, "I understand. But sometimes, small moments, like catching a balloon, can change everything." When the train finally arrived, Sofia got in with the mother and daughter. As they left, the girl waved and shouted, "Have a happy day." For the first time in weeks, Sofia felt her heart smiling. At the office, her coworkers noticed she was different. She greeted everyone warmly, helped a colleague, and laughed at lunch. That night, walking home, she looked at the sky and thought about the red balloon. She whispered, "One small moment, and my whole week feels different." And with a gentle smile, she closed her door, feeling lighter than before.